Orders after notice and hearing. Orders after notice and hearing in juvenile dependency cases in California refer to court orders issued following a formal hearing where all parties involved have been given proper notice and an opportunity to present evidence and arguments. Here are key points about orders after notice and hearing. 1. Adjudicatory hearings. In dependency cases, an adjudicatory hearing, also known as a jurisdictional hearing, is held to determine whether the allegations of abuse, neglect, or dependency in the petition are supported by sufficient evidence. This hearing typically follows the filing of a dependency petition and provides parties with notice of the allegations and an opportunity to contest them. 2. Evidentiary standards. At the adjudicatory hearing, the court considers evidence presented by all parties, including testimony from witnesses, reports from social workers or other professionals, and documentary evidence. The standard of proof is typically preponderance of the evidence, meaning that the allegations are more likely than not to be true. 3. Findings and orders. After considering the evidence and arguments presented at the hearing, the court issues findings of fact and conclusions of law regarding the allegations in the petition. If the court determines that the child is within its jurisdiction due to abuse, neglect, or dependency, it may issue various orders to address the child's safety and well-being. 4. Disposition. Hearings. Following the adjudicatory hearing, a disposition hearing is held to determine the appropriate placement and services for the child and family. The court may issue orders regarding custody, visitation, reunification services, ongoing supervision, and other matters to address the needs of the child and promote family stability. 5. Review hearings. Subsequent review hearings may be scheduled to monitor the progress of the case and ensure compliance with court orders. These hearings provide an opportunity for parties to report on their efforts to address the issues identified by the court and for the court to assess the child's status and the family's progress towards reunification or other goals. Overall, orders after notice and hearing in juvenile dependency cases are issued based on a thorough consideration of the evidence and legal arguments presented by all parties. These orders are intended to promote the safety, permanency, and well-being of children involved in the child welfare system, while ensuring that their rights and interests are protected through due process of law.